Okie doke, Krista. If we look at your email, what I'm seeing here is that you did understand that the y-intercept in that problem was 2. And that is correct. Here where you are doing in the slope, which I'm circling in red, I'm going to focus on that problem in a second because I think that's where you are a little bit off. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to bring up that document and take a look. This is the picture from class. So again, we said that you've gotten the 2 part right. That is the y-intercept. But for right now, you're not getting the slope right. How you count slope is you have to focus on 2 points on the line. Now, if you notice where you put your 2, that's one good point. If I trace the line a little bit, I'm going to stop at the next point that hits a grid, which is this one. Now, that's the point you want to pick because it's easy to do the counting here. So if you notice my rise from the original point, it's going to be down 1, down 2, down 3. That makes it -3. My run here is actually going to be to go across from there, +1, making the slope, how should we write this? It's going to look like -3 over 1, and then when we simplify that, it is -3. So down here we're going to write the final equation as y equals -3, which is the slope, in front of the x, plus +2, or just +2 I'm writing there. If you notice, the positive part with the 2 is not actually written. The plus is actually just the formula. And this is perfectly simplified as the answer. This is the equation of this line. Okay, I hope this works out. This is the first time I ever tried to answer a student like this, so technology is cool if it works, so we'll see. Krista, just to follow up on your email, I'm looking back where you're asking me a question towards the end of it that said, do you do the rise right the first time or the second time? So let's take a look. I think this is what you are calling your first time. Okay, this is not quite right. If you notice the picture I try and draw for slope when I do m equals, it's the up and down number divided by the left and right number. So if you look back at your problem, you didn't go 2 up from the first grid. We're actually going down because it's negative, but it wasn't 2 down and then 6 across. It was in fact 6 down. Oh, wrong color. That's my green color. Down is going to be blue because up and down is like the sky. So it's 6 down, which should have been negative, and then 2 across would have been more appropriate. So hopefully that answers your question a little bit better. What you wrote here for your final answer with this y equals m plus 2, that's not quite what we're looking for. You actually write a number in front of the x and write a number here. Like when you find m, you actually write the number for it. Now your m was 3. It really should have been -3. That's the number we wanted to see here. And you did get the 2, which would have been the right spot. Just a little change there. So hopefully this helps.